Hi teens, this is Sarah with Pulaski County Public Library Teen Department. Today we're going to learn to make an Easter egg craft. So you'll need these doilies. I got them online at Amazon. They come in like a 20 pack. A piece of construction paper that you will cut out in the shape of an egg. Also, you will need watercolor to color it. We actually already had these. They're liquid watercolors, but you can get that palette that's just regular watercolors. Some glue, a paintbrush, and then since I had the liquid watercolors, I used a little cup and ended up diluting them so I could get more of a pastel colors. So the first thing you'll want to do is take your doily and use your watercolors on your doily. You'll want to put something underneath because it does soak through, and then let that dry. Then once that's dry, you will use some glue. I used a paintbrush to paint the glue all over the construction paper and then just put the doily on top. And then there were some edges that I painted some more glue on to get all the edges down. And then that's your Easter egg craft. Thanks. Have a good day.